You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in French. Very useful word in French that you need to know about. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. Prendre is how to pronounce it. It means to take. When you take something, it may occasionally mean to have something, to have like a meal or coffee. Prendre un café, for example, is to have a coffee. Prendre is the French pronunciation here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.